Hi, welcome to College Student Cleaning. The link for this is https collegestudentcleaning.com. It's the website that I created for web business creation, and its purpose is to just help specifically college students figure out how to clean apartments and save time, because being a student myself, this is probably one of the worst times of the year. Just trying to get everything cleaned and get finals done. So this is just the opening homepage. Easy, simple. I try to keep it a pretty clean look just because I think that fit the website feel pretty well. Search bar up here, made little logo up there. It's worked out because there's one other class as well. So I've got a bar up here. This is my nav bar up here, but I figured it'd be easy to have things down here where it talks a little bit more about specifics, so people can know if this is the page they want to go on, with the contact us bar right there. Different pages. I've got the about page where it's about me. Keep it pretty simple, where it works out pretty well. Nice little bar down there. I really actually quite enjoyed putting this whole project together, just because I learned a lot about optimizing websites and how to make it more web friendly, which is something that I really want to do in the future. So being able to work on SEO and using keywords in Google AdWords and all those different kind of services offered by Google was really quite interesting. I had to go through and figure out how to optimize images and look in Photoshop, how to use the WordPress, which I've used before, but just it was interesting going through and figuring all of this out. Different pictures, figuring out what would help it be the best. Something that I really tried to do in my website was make it so it was helpful and easy to read, easy to find things. This is probably my best page. Proud of that one. It took me a while to figure that one out. My final page, this one doesn't have as much on it, but I spent some time trying to figure out how to make SEO work and everything. So my business is mostly just offering information and saying people can subscribe if they want more information. So it worked out pretty well, I think. I learned a lot, and I'm grateful for what I did learn in this class. Thanks for watching. Bye!